Welcome to our tutorial on how to hide a group on WhatsApp web using your PC. Follow these steps to discreetly hide specific groups for added privacy and organization. To begin, open web.whatsapp.com on your PC. Access WhatsApp web through your web browser to manage your group chats and easily hide groups as needed. Hover over the group that you want to hide. By hovering over the group, you can access additional options for managing that specific group conversation. Click on the ellipsis symbol, V, located next to the group. This will open a drop-down menu with various actions you can take for that particular group. Select the Archive Chat option from the drop-down menu. By choosing to archive the group, you effectively hide it from your main chat list, keeping it accessible but discreetly tucked away. By following these simple steps, you can easily hide a group on WhatsApp web using your PC, ensuring your group conversations remain private and organized to your liking. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy managing your groups on WhatsApp web with the ability to hide specific groups for enhanced privacy and tidiness. Happy group chatting!